Hello and welcome to our tutorial. In this video, you will see how to configure the interactions between components and the layout of them. First of all, to configure the settings of a dashboard component, click on the cogwheel at the top right corner of the element you want to configure. This window is the same for each component. On the first tab, you can configure the interactivity settings. Any data-aware component can be used as a filter for other dashboard components. That's what we call master filter. The values of the selected elements, grid records, chart bars, pie segments, etc. in the master filter item are then used to filter the data in the other dashboard components. A master filter item supports two selection modes. The first is single master filter. On dashboard loading, an element is automatically selected and applied as a filter. You can change the selection, but you can't clear it. The second one is the multiple master filter. There is no item selected automatically when loading the dashboard, and you can filter by one element or more. To select more than one, you have to Control+click on the elements. You have the possibility to set a component completely independent from the master filter. To do this, you have to select Ignore Master Filter. When this option is checked, your component can't be filtered by anything. For example, here we display the global turnover. When we select one or many categories in the pie chart, we can see that the turnover value doesn't change. For charts and pies, you can choose which type of value will be used to filter the dashboard: arguments, series, or points. Point is the combination of the argument and series values selected by the user. For example, in the pie chart, we add the store state in series. We have one pie chart per state. By default, the master filtering is applied according to the arguments selected by the user. When we click on Office Supplies in a pie chart, it will filter the data on office supplies. If we change the target dimensions to series, when we click in a pie chart, it selects the whole pie chart and the data is filtered according to the selected state. If we change the target dimension to point, we can filter our data more precisely, using a combination of series and argument. For example, we filter on furniture and California. The drill-down feature allows end users to change the detail level of data displayed in a dashboard item. The drill-down feature enables users to zoom in to display detailed data or zoom out to view more general information. Drill down requires that the data section contains several dimensions in column, argument, or series. Here, we will use it on the pie chart. To use the drill down, I will add the subcategory field in the argument section. When I activate it, I have my categories that are displayed, and when I double-click on a category, the corresponding subcategories are displayed. The drill down feature is not available for components that can't have multiple arguments or series, such as filter elements, maps, texts, images, groups, or tabs. Now let's see the available features for layout configuration. To configure the layout, click on the cogwheel in the top right corner and click on the Layout tab. This tab is specific for each type of components: bar charts, pie, grid. The common settings for all the components are the options to personalize the title and values. For charts, you can rotate it, change the x-axis or y-axis settings. In addition, you can change the type of series of the chart. You can choose several types such as bars, points, areas, or more. You can also choose to display or not the legend and change its position. For all components, you can change the global colors or the local colors. Other settings are available depending on the component. Last but not least, you have the possibility to add a description to each component, which will be displayed on online dashboards. For instance, on this dashboard, there is an information button I next to the sales per year chart. When you move the mouse over the button, the description of the component is displayed. In order to add a description to a component, open the settings of a component and click on the Description tab. Then, click on the window and write your description. Click OK and save. Your description is now added to your dashboard. To learn more about all the available functionalities, refer to the online documentation.